page 82, we have a waltz duet. It's called Waltz for Two Duet. It's in the key of C. If you notice, the top part has a pickup, so we start on the third beat. It'll be 1, 2, 3. So I'll do 2 measures when I count it off. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then I'll come in. And then you'll come in also. So here's the first part. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This piece has chords, so you should practice those chords, moving in and out of the first, second, and third position. You have this chord, F chord, then you go to the third position, and into the second position, back to the first position. Same chord, and then we just lift up our first finger, and then put our first finger in A flat. Notice that next to the last measure on the second line, we're playing this, and we're playing the D with our fourth finger and flatten our first. And then we keep going with the same chords. This is the A section being played again as we continue on. Then the B section is an important section because we're switching to another position of that we might have touched in one of the duets that we played in the previous lessons. We're going to go up to the third position, but this time we're going to be in that third position for about 6 to 8 measures. So in the third measure of the fourth line after the double bar, which is showing us that it's another section. We'll call it the B section. We have a rest, then we play C, D, then we're going to put our fourth finger on E and slide up to F while picking F. So it's like this, 1, 2, and 3, and 1. The G, we land on the G with our first finger. 1, 2, and 3, and 1. A with our third finger, B flat with our fourth finger, A, E with our third, G, D. So it goes again. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Keep in that position. C would be, our next note, C would be with our third finger. 1, 2. E flat with our second, fourth finger. F, G, A flat, F, G, F, E flat, D. This is where we switch. We go E flat, D, 2, 1, then we go D flat, C, 2, 1. It's always good to plan out switching positions, and here we have two ways of switching positions. One going up. How you see how we stretch and play our fourth finger and slide it. Then we play still in third. Here we go, 2, 1, 2, 1. Back to the sign, which is the first full measure on the top of the page. We're playing these chords, and we go all the way to where it says 2 coda, and we jump to page 83, the top C chord, and then we have these diamond notes. These diamond notes in the last measure. These are harmonics. If we were just to play the top note E, it would be 12th position, E, and to play harmonic, we just lightly touch our finger on the 12th fret, not pressing, but just touching it, and you get a bell-like sound. So it's really, practice this, it's really timing to get this just right. If you just keep it down, it's a little muffled. So doing all 3 notes would be like this. Really a bell-like sound. These are called natural harmonics. We have natural harmonics on the 12th fret, 7th fret, and 5th fret. But this is the 12th fret. How do we know what notes to play? We're playing the notes that are in diamonds. Those notes on the 12th fret. E, B, G. And it sounds an octave above what so those last 2 measures of the piece on the top line is 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3. Now it's your turn to play the top part.